Hey guys, Mike Troll, Amsoil dealer, and today we got this 21 Explorer. It's got the 2.3 turbo, so what we're going to do is switch it over to the Amsoil. We're going to start out with the engine flush, just clean around the rings, get everything nice and clean before we throw in the good stuff, 100% synthetic, and of course we got the filter that's 20 microns, 99%. So we're going to start out by adding this and we'll get it going. Hey guys, we're going to throw in the upper cylinder lube that's going to provide the better seal on the rings, and we're just going to stick it right in. Fully capless compatible. We're not doing the PI this time because he's done a good quality injector cleaner recently, but that would be another thing you could do to keep your injectors nice and clean. So here's the engine flush. This is not a solvent, this is detergent based, so it's gentle enough if you felt you needed to use it every oil change, but it's not necessary. We just do it before we switch them over to Amsoil, and it just helps everything start clean. And then we're gonna start it up, let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll drain it out. All right, we're just gonna start it up and let it idle. So that's just going to circulate through, clean everything real nice, and then we'll drain it out. All right, we got to get some of the pour. So we're just draining that oil, and that flush helps it really drain out. And the nice thing is the filter's right there, so we'll go ahead and get that loosened up. We'll let this thing drain. Getting all that carbon out. Hey, so we got the Ford filter down, got the Amsoil filter here, and so all turbos are going to fall under severe service, but you're still good for 15,000 or 1 year in severe service. So we're just topping it out there, avoiding a dry start. I got a little happy with the pre-filling, but we'll hit that with some brake cleaner before we're done. Alright, so you get your plug back in, your filter hand tight, and you're ready to go. Hey, we just hit everything with the brake cleaner. Got it looking nice. Alright, we got the Signature Series 5W-30 going in, 6 quarts. And guys, if you want to know what your car takes, just use my link, number1synthetic.com. Look it up, order it, get it shipped straight to your door. All right, there it is, number1synthetic.com, guys. Appreciate it. All right, guys, so this is quart number 2. And yes, 100% synthetic. Guys, Amsoil has so many products, so if you're not interested in extended drains, they have, 4 or 5 different 5W-30s that might be recommended for your car. So just like I said, number1synthetic.com, and your make, model, and engine, and it'll tell you exactly what your options are. Thanks, guys. So we're going to stop at 5 quarts. We'll start it up, back it down, let it sit, check it, and then we'll dump the 6th one in if it needs it. All right, first start with the Amsoil. We got 5 quarts in, and we'll check for leaks briefly. There it is. Check our plug, looks clean. Filter looks clean. All right, just gonna back it down. That's fine. So yeah, he went ahead and did the oil life reset, which is good. Saves me a step, but nice to know it's easy. All right, let's wipe this. See if we can get a good solid reading. All right, so if we look at it, man, it looks like it's full. if I'm looking at this right. Maybe I'll let it sit a little longer because it looked like it was way up, but yeah, it doesn't look like we need any more, so all right. That's strange. Hey guys, so yeah, don't listen to me. Double check your specs. So we Googled it, and 4.9 liters is 5.2 quarts, which is what it's calling for, and it is full. We're at 5, so he'll recheck it in a week or two, and he's got an extra quart he's gonna take with him. Buddy says like and subscribe. Hey guys, my links are down below. Look up your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, in the verse of the day, the Lord gives grace and glory. The Lord is a sun and shield. No good thing will he withhold from those who walk uprightly. Might have mixed up that order a little bit, but that's from the Psalms. God bless you.